simple hacks, right to the point. These are super easy. Most of them, you're gonna have this stuff at home.
And it seems so simple,
nice.
but it makes life so much easier. If you have two full hands and you're trying to load things and you want to put something in there.
Yeah, you can do multiple things. There's multiple solutions for a problem. Hey everyone, Izzy from Endless RVing. We have a DIY video for you. Now, if you own an RV, you know they don't always come perfect from the factory, and a lot of times you want to customize it the way you want. Some of those customizations, those fixes can be expensive, but in this video, we're gonna show you some hacks, some fixes that we've done that are very inexpensive. Most of them cost you nothing because you have the materials at home and they're very easy to do. Now, all these hacks are going to be very inexpensive. A lot of them were just things you have laying around the house. The first one's going to be, and we did a full video on this, we'll link it up above, we have our roof fan covers. Now, we have max air fan covers. We did a video on the installation of these. We also did a video on the upgrade hack we're about to talk about. The hack we're about to talk about is, if you look right behind here, these are just vents. There's nothing behind these. What we wound up doing to keep bugs out of here is that we added screen mesh, black mesh, like screen you would have on your screen door. It's a very simple solution. Most of us that own a home or even have a place with screen doors, especially if you have pets, you're going to have extra screen laying around because a lot of times that screen winds up getting destroyed. Even if you don't, it's extremely cheap to buy a small roll of that screen. You just need a simple glue gun, some glue, screen, and something to cut it, and it's very simple. Again, we did that full video. We'll link it up above. You can have this hack done in less than 20 minutes. The second hack, very cheap to fix and an easy fix, and this is one that drives a lot of people crazy. It's going to be your passenger side door. Now, there's two main things that drive us a little bit insane here. The first one is, if you look from the factory, you can see how this door rattles. So when we're inside, even though our door is secure, you'll get some of that rattling, and it drives me insane. So this is a very easy fix, guys. What I did was I just added some felt pads, and these you can get anywhere. They're super cheap. This will cost you less than 10 bucks. These are just felt self-adhesive pads. You can see I already did it on the bottom here. So even if it hits, it's not really making the noise. So I'm going to just do it on the top also. You can hear the before, and then I'm going to show you the after. The nice thing about these pads is they're, like I said, they're self-adhesive, but you could stack them one on top of each other. So you can see this is one. I stacked two to make up for the space. And then since they're self-adhesive, you can just simply stick them on. So one of the things that you'll notice, since they're felt, as over time, these will start kind of divoting inside. So all you do, just throw another one on top. Just keep adding. They're super cheap. So
just keep adding them until they're all the way out onto the side.
They're this big. So here's the result, guys. And now, only thing you're hearing is this little handle here, but you don't hear that rattling anymore. There's nowhere for it to move. The second hack that we're going to do on here, and this one we've done in other videos, and I know people are going to be like, well, you can do this, you can do that. Yeah, you can do multiple things. There's multiple solutions for a problem. This is the simplest. This is the most effective, cheap, using this electrical tape. Now, if you own a motorhome or an RV, you should have electrical tape on you. You can buy a roll of electrical tape for $4, 10 bucks, depending, how good tape you get. This striker here, what happens, being that it's metal on metal, you'll get squeaking going down the road. We don't own Prevos, guys. I know the Prevo people, if you own a Prevo, that's not gonna happen. Well, we don't own a Prevo.
Maybe one day we will.
So for about $2.8 million less, if you own a gas motorhome, this is a very easy fix. Just take some electrical tape, and this lasts a pretty long time. You'll have to change it periodically. You just take a little bit of electrical tape, wrap it around here, and again, we get probably a couple of weeks out of it, and then you just rewrap it again. That roll will last you a lifetime. And no, your lock won't get stuck. But when you're going down the road, that right there is going to stop any of that squeaking coming from the door. And you can see this closes and opens just fine. Simple solution.
I'm very embarrassed of the dirt on my car.
Well, I haven't washed it in a couple of weeks.
Well, and it rained too. It just rained, so it's gross.
So the next one is going to be a very easy hack to clean your RV. Now, our RV is very clean right now. We really haven't hit rain, but like MJ said, her car is filthy, and we are going to thank the sponsor of this video. Is going to be Release Cleaner. Release Cleaner is an all-in-one cleaning solution, and if you've watched our videos, you know how great Release works, and we love doing these live demonstrations. So as I speak, I don't know if you can pick it up on camera, but it's pretty dirty right here. There's just dirt everywhere. So as you're filming, I'm just going to spray the release in the foam cannon, let it do its work. some on the mirror there too.
Ooh, nice.
What's great about Release Cleaner, like I said, an all-in-one cleaning solution. So it's safe on paint, rubber, wheels, aluminum, roof, upholstery, shoes. It doesn't matter. You can use it for everything. It was originally designed for the aeronautics industry. They've been around for a long time. They're a US-based company, and there's no sulfur, dyes, colors in here. What's really nice about Release is that if you buy the 1 gallon concentrate, it's going to make 80 32-ounce bottles. It comes out to about $1.12 a bottle, and that's at the strongest solution, which is a 1 part Release to 20 part water, which is our preferred solution because you can see how well it works by associating. Look at this already. Look at how that dirt is just kind of dripping down. It's associating with the dirt. Give it one more spray, so have some good lubricant.
I'm renting IZZY out, rent a husband, so
Right.
he can clean for you.
So we're gonna use a microfiber towel, guys. Pretty clean, just came out of the wash. I just wanna show you. Everybody thinks we do camera tricks on here, but just read the reviews by our subscribers, and there's no tricks here. I'm gonna take the microfiber towel on one side. I'm just going to wipe, no pressure. Look at the difference on that, and there's the dirt. You saw the mirror over here. I'm just gonna wipe really quick. Look at that. I mean, guys, come on. I'm gonna continue flip over on the clean side. One wipe across. You can see the dirt, it's already melting away because this chemical in here is associating. Guys, look at the difference. It's that simple.
So much better. So
That
much
simple.
better.
You don't need to go crazy if you're on the road. You want to keep the front of your RV clean from the bugs. It's squeaky clean. If you want more information on Release, guys, releasecleaner.com, our discount code,
Endless10.
10% off of your purchase, plus any purchase over $75 is free shipping. We absolutely love this. Let me finish this up because, you know, I don't want to leave it just
Can't leave
halfway
a job
done.
unfinished.
Look at this, guys. Look at how clean that is. Oh, I missed a little spot. I'll go with that one more time.
You gotta get the bottom too.
Look at that. We'll put their information down below. The next one's a hack we had to figure out just because of a circumstance. We had our levelers go out down last year in Lynchburg, Virginia. We did find out the reason why, more than likely the reason why for the failure was because our module for our levelers is right here, completely exposed to the weather, and especially these parts. According to equalizer systems, these are supposed to be in a controlled environment. So how did we resolve this? Very simple, guys. We just used some plastic bags, very simple plastic bags, and some zip ties. So what I did was any of the electronic parts, just cover them up with plastic bags, zip tie them in. Now, if I want to cover this whole unit, I can do that, but it's not really necessary over here. This is just where the hoses come out. But any of the electronics, we cover them up. Very simple solution. And we haven't had issues since then, so hopefully it continues working. The next hack, and this is thanks to our subscriber, Tom Northam. Now, if you own a motorhome or even fifth wheel, a lot of these steps will double as a storage area. And you can see if you put it up, just kind of slams down. Now, this is a very simple hack, really should be from the factory. They have these little struts. You can get these on Amazon. I just disconnected it for purposes of this video, but you connect the strut and now you have a strut.
And
that
it
stays
seems
there, which
so
is really,
simple,
really nice.
but it makes life so much easier. When if you have 2 full hands and you're trying to load things and you want to put something in there.
It's also a safety concern. If you have little kids, you know, this coming down, this is wood, this will really hurt.
Right.
At least you have this strut on there. We'll put the link to that strut down below. The last one is a very simple hack, and I would suggest that you do this if you go out to campgrounds. Now, if you look at our wet bay here, we are not in a full hookup site. We only have water and electric. We don't have sewer. But what we always do is when these ports are open, these access points to inside our RV, we have the hose running here. What we're gonna do, we're gonna take some kind of towel material, stuff it inside there, because if you look in here, there's still access for bugs,
Critters,
rodents,
little mice
wasps,
to destroy your
everything.
wires.
So just stuff this in. Same thing if we had a sewer hose, we would put the sewer hose here. I then take a big towel, I just kind of stuff all that area. It's gonna keep everything clean inside. It's gonna keep the insects and the critters out. There it is, guys. 6 simple hacks, right to the point. These are super easy, and most of them you're gonna have this stuff at home. And the Release, guys, $1.12 a bottle, pretty awesome deal. In the comments below, let us know, what are special hacks that you've done on your RV to either fix a problem or just make it better? If you want videos like this and you like videos like this, to the left of us, we'll put our RV DIYs playlist. We'll put our RV tours playlist. And for myself and MJ, it's a journey of a lifetime, and we'll see you on the road.